Question DS. If A, B, C, and D are positive integers, and S equals A times B times C times D, how many factors does S have? Condition 1. A, B, C, and D are prime numbers. Condition 2. D equals 5. Solution. Let us solve this DS question using the variable approach. Let's apply the 3 steps of variable approach. Let us follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We are required to find the number of factors of S if A, B, C, and D are positive integers and S equals A times B times C times D. We need to know the values of A, B, C, and D, as we have to consider both the same and different cases. Follow the second and the third steps. From the original condition, we have 5 variables, S, A, B, C, and D, and 1 equation, S equals A times B times C times D. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need 4 more equations. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide 1 equation each, E would most likely be the answer. Recall 3 principles and choose E as the most likely answer. Let us take a look at conditions 1 and 2 together. Conditions 1 and 2 tell us that A, B, C, and D are prime numbers and D equals 5. We have to consider both the same and different cases. If all are different, then the number of factors of S equals A times B times C times 5 will be whole of 1 plus 1 times whole of 1 plus 1 times whole of 1 plus 1 times whole of 1 plus 1 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 16. However, if A equals B equals C equals D equals 5, then the number of factors of S equals A times B times C times 5 equals 5 to the power of 4 is 4 plus 1, which equals 5. Therefore, both conditions 1 and 2 combined do not give a unique answer and are not sufficient by CMT2, which states the number of answers must be 1. This is really an important question. Remember the word different when the question is asking for the number of factors or prime factors. That is, you should consider the same and different cases. Both conditions 1 and 2 together are not sufficient. Thus, E is the correct answer. Answer E.